Discover the beauty of premium quality jute rolls crafted for creativity, decoration, and sustainable living. Strong texture, natural elegance, and eco-friendly design all in one perfect solution.
Turn your living space into a warm and stylish natural environment with creative jute decor ideas that bring comfort, beauty, and eco-conscious design together beautifully.
Add a premium handmade touch to every gift with elegant jute wrapping styles that look beautiful, feel natural, and create unforgettable gifting experiences.
Perfect for artists, creators, and DIY lovers, jute rolls inspire endless handmade ideas for home decoration, event styling, and creative business projects. Modern businesses now choose sustainable jute packaging solutions to create premium branding experiences while reducing plastic waste and supporting eco-friendly lifestyles.
Bring natural creativity into your lifestyle with premium quality jute rolls designed for decoration, crafting, packaging, and sustainable modern living. Shop today and start creating beautifully.